Welcome to my Bees in the Garden Tablescape. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax and enjoy, as it is part of Tablescape Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and welcome to another beautiful tablescape. We are going with a bee theme as we're going to kick off our summer tablescape by using these honeycomb plates, and I think I got these from maybe the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. I don't remember which one, but the plates were $1 each. So I got the plates, the bread plates, and the bowls. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by placing my charger plates here. And these are some that I picked up from Hobby Lobby at the end of season last year, the end of Christmas season last year. And guys, that is a great way to buy your plates that you want to use. And I'm just playing around with this centerpiece. I may or may not leave it like it is, but I wanted to try to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and just start layering and placing. And it looks like I am missing a charger plate. Now how could that be? Okay, I'm back out in the shed, so I left maybe a charger plate inside the house. But before I bring you the reveal, I will have everything placed accordingly. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and keep layering this look here. And we're gonna kick this off. Hey friends, I hope you guys are enjoying yourself up to this point. And if so, if you're new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate the content that we bring to you guys. And oh, by the way, everyone can give me a thumbs up. Guys, it doesn't cost anything at all except for your time. And for your time, I am so grateful that you decided to stop by here to watch my video. Thanks a bunch. Continue to watch as I continue to pull this table together in my beautifully styled bee-themed garden. I usually always buy an extra setting just in case I happen to break one. I will still have a 6-piece setting, but if I happen to break two, then all right. But at least I try to have that extra one. So here I decided to add these candles to my candelabra. These are my candles of choice. They are yellow in color, as you can see, and I think it's going to really pull this table together. So what I'm doing here is strategically placing these miniature roses throughout the garland in the center here, just to give it more depth as we are using it as our centerpiece. So that's just one thing you can do, is build upon your garland to give that effect that you're looking for. Here is the lighting of the candles. Here I'm creating this arrangement to make this space more cohesive with the table. Let me present to you my beautiful tablescape. This is the first one of this summer of 2024, and I decided to go in using the bee theme. Now this is one of the designs that I had in mind, but there is another one that I think I will come back and share with you guys a little bit later in the week that is going to be a little more elegant. But for this one, I went in with these miniature roses in the center here to help beautify these garlands that I've included with the multicolored flowers in the center. This olive garland here. So yeah, this is what we have for my very first summer tablescape. We've gone in with these beautiful chargers that I shared with you guys. And these are some that I picked up at the end of Christmas last year from Hobby Lobby. My bee theme, or the honeycombed dinner plate with the mustard rim around with the black and white on the inside there. Same as with the bread plate, the soup bowl, and then my black napkins and the bee napkin ring. Now these black napkins are not really napkins. These are handkerchiefs that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They were 99¢ back in the, I guess, the sporting goods sections where you can go and buy those sweatshirts that you can create. So that's what these are. So guys, that's a nice little tip. If you're hosting an event and you cannot find the napkins that you're looking for, check in the handkerchief section. You may just be able to score. So that's what I'm using here in the 4-piece setting, and the napkins on the ends are the only ones that are different. Everything else is pretty much the same. I've added these little bees here, and these are the little server holders. You can actually add little appetizers in here if you wanted to, or just whatever you would want to use it for. They actually go with this tray here. They actually go in this tray, and what you do is just align them like this. Or you can actually turn one around, have the other two going like that. So they actually belong in this tray. It's absolutely beautiful tray that I found at one of my local consignment shops, or I think this one actually came from the consignment shop on base. So I just added those back in there. This tablescape is part of Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, and you will find Amethyst Adventures, you will see Courtney, and Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. These ladies host this collaboration every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do try to jump in whenever I have time. I enjoy looking at what all of the ladies that are part of the collaboration, what they do add to the playlist. So guys, don't forget to check out the playlist, as the link will be in my description box below. Show some love to the host, the co-host, and all of the other participants. I'm going to bring you in just a little bit closer so you can get a good view of. So here we are, I'm bringing you in for just a closer look. These wine glasses are from Amazon. The place settings with the dinner plate, the bread plate, and the bowl are from, I think, the Dollar General a few years ago. Charger plate is from Hobby Lobby. The napkin, or shall I say handkerchief, is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the Beethemed napkin ring. My flatware is from Temu. Yes, flatware is from Temu. The candelabra here is one that I've had in my stash for many, many years. The garland that I've layered as my center is just some that I've had, and I decided to put it all together to bring to you guys my first summer tablescape for 2024. These wine glasses here are also from Amazon. No, actually these are from Wayfair, I think, a few years ago. I don't remember. Anywho, hope you guys will enjoy this. So here I decided to use a white table covering this time instead of a table runner, as this white tends to allow all of accessories to just pop. You see how the yellow, the black, the gold, all of that just pops on top of this white tablecloth. And you can never go wrong when using a tablecloth or table covering, however you choose to say it. It's absolutely beautiful. Are lit for the ambiance of the setting. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're new to the channel, I would love to have you here, as I love everything about making your home beautiful. But I most of all love creating beautiful tablescapes. As I'm your lovely host here, you're styling with Gigi Facing. Be blessed and have a wonderfully blessed rest of this week.